Hey, what's going on, everybody? Um, first, man, expect the unexpected. Anyway, I installed the front door jamb and the storm door, and what had happened was that the wind took the storm door and just flipped it right around and basically broke the door jamb and everything, and everything. So um, the job, I pretty much figured that it would, 3-4 hours to install a door jamb and reinstall um, the storm door. But what happened was that the owner wanted to keep the same door, but had a door jamb in the garage that was supposedly 36 for the front door. And so I'm like, okay, you know maybe we should just put a new pre-hung front door with new door jambs. But sometimes kind of work that I do, we try to be cost effective for the customer. And so you try to save them money so you can make a little extra money. Sometimes it doesn't work out that way, so it turned out to be a little bit tougher than what I thought. I got it done. You'll see it in this video. the steps, I got that. Check it out on this video. And what was happening with the rear steps were they were just falling apart. They were rotted, and but the problem was that the top step was up on the threshold. So when it rained, rain would hit the top step, roll underneath the threshold and into the garage. So that was creating water getting into the garage. So so what I did was I dropped it down the step and created like a kick plate, and so that went pretty well, you know. So check it out. Let's go right into it. Good intentions, but the water's getting inside. We got a lot of rot. So there you go. Bottom step was really falling apart. Anyway. We got our treads here. They're 48 inches. This top plate here is going to be a kick plate. Before, remember, the step was up here. Water would go in. So now there's a kick plate, and it's going to be a drop down 7.5, 7.25 step down. And the stringers are going to look like. Okay, and we have our 2x4 for railing, 4x4 post for the post on the side. And so basically this is pretty easy stuff, guys. This is what they had, and this is what I'm gonna pretty much copy. And so I'll use this as a pattern. And so that's what she's looking like. Okay, let me get set up and try the video. All right, guys, remember the little workbench top? I'm gonna put it to use. Check it out. Let me see if I put you down here. You see it? You see what's going on? A piece down here, and that's going to be a support piece on the bottom. I still got to clean it up and level it, but most importantly, you got to get that level like right on. And I level it both ways. Obviously this is a little bit higher, but that's okay because I'm going to clean this out and level it down, and the steps might go up a little bit higher anyway. So but that's what you need to do. We have our deck screws. I think they're 3.5 or 3s, 4-inch. I'm going to use those for the post. Once I notch them out, got our hangers are going to go like so. Okay, and anyway, let me get going and try to get you some footage. Okay, getting it done, get her done, get her done, get her done. Always level across, and how the stuff needs to be level both ways. Love this hammer.
Yeah, around the post, I just kick it. We have stairs!
Well, guys, it's all set. This little workbench, telling you, need to make one, get one. Steps are all done. That's it. I ran out of storage, guys. All right, have a good one. You know what to do. Like and share. See you soon.